Now, the periodic table of elements is much more complicated than hydrogen and helium. What's the star doing? The star is exporting entropy, but it's also producing complexity because it's the stars that are producing the periodic table. Now, the periodic table of elements is much more complicated than hydrogen and helium. And that complexity is pregnant with future complexity. It's those elements in the periodic table that are being used to make biomolecules, to make life, to increase complexity at a different scale, different time scale, different scale, in a very, very similar system. Now, I'm not saying that stars are alive, but the comparison between a star and a life form is very, very close.
Yeah.
In terms of basic physics, the entropy gradients and the export of energy and the production of complexity and so on, they're very, very similar. And the complexity at the moment has reached the level of cognition, the fact that we're talking about it. So, the waste product from the sun has been used as a driver for complexity in a biological process on a planet in the Goldilocks zone to produce increasing complexity up to the level of cognition. And so we have, first of all, the chemical elements complexity from stars,
Yep.
and now cognition, which is a complex product coming from life, fed by starlight.
Yeah.
On the Earth. It all fits together, in a much more a big picture way.